How can you attach iPhone to the camera tripod? Let me talk about it and show you the way that I've been using it. So let's get started. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss videos and guides like this one. So naturally, you need to use some kind of holder for the device itself, which you can connect to the actual tripod. So I like to use this like small one, which has this like rotating head, and it all works well. And usually the camera mounts feature this type of screw, right? So it's the 1/4 inch connector, and you can connect your camera on top of that, right? Or whatever else you want, right? The GoPro features that connection, so it's really easy to set that thing up. However, when it comes to iPhones, on the phone, you don't really apparently have any way to connect it, so you're gonna need a one more piece of accessory, and it's gonna have to be some kind of phone mount. Ideally, like a phone holder, which is expandable, meaning that it is like universal and it doesn't fit for one specific device, but usually it has these like springs inside where you can like stretch it out to make any phone fit in it there. And this usually comes with the connector which we need, the 1/4 inch, which I'm talking about. And that is how you can like screw it on top of the holder or a tripod, and then you're going to end up with a setup where you can easily attach the phone and you can just do it however you like it, point it at any direction. It of course comes down to the specific type of tripod you're using, but that is basically the whole principle behind it. So I hope it makes sense. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more tips and videos like this one, and I hope to see you later as well.